driving.
Swimming class. Oh, the swimming class. Ah, look at that. Look at this.
Gabri, come. Whoa.
Hey! Look at this.
Because she's stopping it. Because she stopped. Ay, ay, ay. She's not gonna come off there. Oh, look, Gabri, the big slide. Up there. You wanna go try?
Yeah.
Up there. Okay, go.
Let's go to big side. Look at these frogs.
Alam mo bang kayang-kaya niya doon? Sabi ni Mami, kayang-kaya niya na doon.
You have to hold her.
No, you don't have to hold her. She's gonna hold her yourself.
Wow! Oh my God.
Gusto niya talaga ng swing.
Gusto niya po malakas. Sabi malakas mo. Oh my gosh. How did he get there? Gabri? How did you get up there? How did you get up there? Which way did you go?
Amir there.
Which way did you go?
Amir. Sure. Amir there, on the other side. Whoa!
Which way did you go? Can you show me? Did you climb up here? Did you try this one?
Yeah,
The wall? Did you try the wall?
yeah,
Can you go try?
yeah.
Let's see if you can do it. Be careful.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Be careful. Oh, good job.
I was it.
Oh my gosh, that's so high.
I think it's a spring.
Where are you going?
Let's go. It's a spring.
Okay, be careful.
Hey, look at the spider.
Okay, are you gonna go on the bridge?
Yeah.
Okay, you go try. Be careful. How are you gonna go? Come.
I'm so shy with the spider.
Come on then.
Here's my hat.
No, wear it, please.
I'm forced to.
Come on, let's go. Come on, I want to see. Come on, I want to see. Okay, wait, Gabri. Wait. Oh, how? How are you gonna do that?
Right here.
You can't. Gabri, be careful.
Tingnan mo yun.
Oh, you should see him. How he got up there. Okay, Jasmine, off. Get off now. Baba. Baba. Okay, just kidding, just kidding.